Welcome to Elite Data. This video is about paint brands from different countries. Resine from New Zealand, Flugger from Denmark, KTH Paint from Malaysia, AK Zonobel from Netherlands, Mater from France, Kansai Paint from Japan, Caparol from Germany, Pintuco from Colombia, CIN from Portugal, San Marco from Italy, Nipsia Group from Singapore, Sherwin-Williams from United States, Mahalaxmi Paint from Nepal, Milesi from Italy, Pachin from Egypt, Adler from Austria, BASF from Germany, Nippon Paint from Japan, Dulux from United Kingdom, Davies from Philippines, BEHR from United States, President Paints from Nigeria, Multilac from Sri Lanka, Tikkurila from Finland, Sinteplast from Argentina, Valspar from United States, PPG Paints from United States, Berger Paints from India, KCC Paints from South Korea, Brighto Paints from Pakistan, Olympic Paints from South Africa, Souvenir Paints from Brazil, Nerolac from India, Jotun from Norway, Roxy Paints from Bangladesh, Tambauer from Israel, TOA Paint from Thailand, Cloverdale from Canada, Hempel from Denmark, Boysen from Philippines, Avian from Indonesia, SKS Chu Paint from China, Mayer Paints from Nigeria, Asian Paints from India, Alcro from Sweden, BASF Coatings from Switzerland, Benjamin Moore from United States, Technos from Finland, Taubmans from Australia, Juno Paints from Spain, No Drop from Indonesia, DYO Boya from Turkey, Snieżka from Poland, Al Jazeera Paints from Saudi Arabia, Comex from Mexico. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Elite Data channel for more videos.